Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and click on Advanced features over here. Then scroll down one more time and click on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher over here to activate it and tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with buttons, so I have to click on this option over here and follow instructions below. Double tap the home button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can always do that by clicking on this icon at the right or left side, or swiping to the top. If you wish to go back, click on the blurry area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!